Hey everybody, doing a quick update here on our garden here. And we're in north central Florida, and our garden, this is probably the worst garden I've ever grown in my life. Just things go crazy. I was out picking some beans and some okra earlier today, so I thought I'd try to see if there's a couple of cucumbers out there. And I came across this thing. It was growing on a cucumber vine. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little watermelon. It's about the size of a baseball, maybe. And I don't know what it is. Anybody know what this is? It's not a cucumber, I don't think.
Well, turn it around so they can see it. See, it's got the blossom at the bottom. We've had a lot of rain and heat. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. It smells
It
like
smells like a cucumber. I'm gonna cut it open and see what it looks like inside.
Okay, let's go.
It smells like a cucumber on the inside. I don't know what it is. It's got I think it needed to do a little more growing. I think it would have got bigger if I'd have left it.
Well, it just looks like it just stopped growing and just got fat. I don't know, but I've never seen one like this.
Anybody who knows what happened, let us know.
Yeah, if you've got any ideas, please place them in the comments. Thank you.